iDrive lets you back up and restore data from the cloud. Let us see how to back up files in just a few clicks. First, sign into the iDrive application on your desktop. Choose the Online Backup option to back up data to the cloud. Some key folders are already selected for backup by default. Click Modify to add or remove items from the backup set. When you are ready, click Backup Now to start the backup. Monitor backup progress and view detailed logs once backup is complete. Now let's see where your data is stored. Go to Restore and make sure Online Restore is selected. Choose the device for which you want to view the backed up data. All the backed up data for that device will be listed. And that's it! You've successfully backed up your data to the cloud with iDrive.